All right, get excited because it's time to finally introduce our course project. So here's the situation. You've just been hired as a business intelligence analyst by AdventureWorks, a fictional global manufacturing company that produces cycling equipment and accessories. And your role is to help the management team track their KPIs, things like sales, revenue, profit, and returns, compare performance across regions, analyze product level trends, and identify high value customers. But all you've been given is a folder of raw CSV files, which contain information about transaction and return records, products, customers, and sales territories. So your objective here is to use Power BI Desktop to connect and transform that raw data, build a relational data model, create calculated columns and measures with DAX, and finally design an interactive dashboard to help visualize and analyze that data. So let's take a peek at what we're going to be building and what the final product will look like. All right, so here's a quick preview of the AdventureWorks report that we're going to build together. Right now, we're looking at the executive summary view. You can see we've got those high-level KPIs that the leadership team cares about: revenue, profit, orders, and return rate. We've got a nice weekly revenue trending chart here as well. And you'll see some really cool interactive elements that Power BI offers, like sliders to zoom in on specific time periods, custom tooltips that we'll build together, and even a completely custom filter pane as well. Now, one thing you'll see here is that we can drill into any specific product to take us to our product detail view. That's going to show us things like how a product is performing against its monthly order, revenue, or profit target. We're going to practice using things like parameters for what-if analysis. In this case, how does a change to the price impact a metric like total profit? We'll explore field parameters to make these charts more interactive and dynamic for our end users. We'll drill into Power BI's mapping and geospatial tools, like so. And we'll build a customer level view to drill into performance at the individual customer level and break down different customer profiles and segments. So again, we're going to build this entire report completely from scratch with nothing but a folder of raw CSV files. It's going to be a lot of fun, so I hope you're excited to dig in.